Hello everyone, this is Daria. This is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. As you might know, I don't know if you've seen this app before, but this is an amazing app. So, medication reminders. Maybe some of you are suffering from some sickness or some illness like I am. I don't know if you guys have realized before, but yes, I do have psoriasis, and I feel so lazy to remember it most of the time. Oh, I should have put this cream on. I should have used that. I should have used that, and you'll be like, just before you go to bed, that's when you realize, oh damn, I didn't put on my cream today. And now I remember that I didn't put on my cream for 2 days. That's why they got a little bit harsh. Yes, I have to take care of myself, and this app will help me out. This will help you out too, because in case of you have your antibiotics that you cannot skip, but you're just forgetting. So okay, it's not very complicated. Let's get started and see how this is works, right? Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna go with our gender. What's my gender? I'm a female. Okay, year of birth. Oh, I wish. So I'm gonna put 2000. Okay, and we're gonna click done afterwards. So we will add our reminders. So, for example, medication. Let's go. Medication name. Let me check. It was better. Select. This is not a cream. This is not a pill. It's teaspoons, sprays, units. So patches, pieces, puffs. Okay, let's go with no. It's not puffs. Let's go with units. Now it doesn't actually matter. I'm just putting it because right now I didn't switch up the pills yet. So let's go with next. So for example, if you want to duration, for example, maybe you're using antibiotics and you're going to be using it for 20 days, and you can add until this date, like you can choose this, and until this date you can choose like 29th. I said okay, and you can go back. Frequency of intake, maybe daily or daily 3 times, 2 times. You can choose it. So I'm gonna go with daily times every day. So you can add reminder time from here, and from here you're gonna choose your alarm settings. And inventory is actually, it will keep a record and detect when you are running low on medication. You can set it. Maybe you can say there are 50 units, something like that. So they will let you know, for example, before it finishes, so you can go to your doctor and get your prescription again. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click save. You need to set up at least one time using, yes, I forgot that. Okay, let's go with 8 a.m. You can say 1 unit, 2 units, it's all up to you. Let's click save, and now we have it. So we can also click again, and you can add again, but it doesn't have to be medication. It can be a measurement. Let's assume that you have diabetes, so you have to check your blood sugar, or maybe you have to check your weight every day. That you need to do that, but I don't know why, but like maybe there are a lot of things out there. So maybe you need to be taking your blood pressure or resting heart rate. Or let's go with show all. You see a lot of things: waist circumference, oxygen saturation, nicotine, ion air volume, ferritin, chest circumference, breath volume. We have a lot of things, alcohol level. So you can choose anything you want from there, which I think is very helpful. and you maybe your mother is forgetting to take her pills, let's assume. You can be helping her out with this app too. So let's say it again. So let's see what kind of activities we have. We have let's show all. We have abdominal workout, acupuncture, aerobic, badminton, basketball, bowling, breathing training, Ironman, climbing, coronary exercises, cross-country skiing, cycling, dancing, darts, downhill skiing, eye exercise. As you can see, we have a lot of house cleaning, lung sports, martial arts. I'm a karate guy. Yes. Pilates, psychotherapy, Reiki. We have a lot of things. We even have sexual intercourse. Good. So you can choose any of them and set a reminder for yourself. Let's go to symptom check. So here we're going to record ourselves trying to understand and we will take the actions. So your symptoms and well-being will become part of your health report, helping you better understand what works for you. So let's say next. Should be once a day, twice a day, once a week. I think once a day should be good. Or even, I'm gonna go with twice a day because it changes. My mood changes a lot. I'm gonna go with 12 a.m. Okay, and I'm gonna go with 12 p.m. Let's go down. Oh, whoa, sorry. And we're gonna say sad. Okay, our symptoms will be checked. So this is the treatment part. Let's go to today and see what are the things we should be doing. So let's do our symptom check since we do it. I'm feeling, how do I feel? Let's add symptoms. Acid reflux, let's show all. Right now, I don't have abdominal cramps or allergies, anxious mood. I do have this. Yes. Let's add another symptom. I do have headaches. I do have a little bit back pain. So from here, actually, there's a lot of things. Listlessness. Tearful. I'm almost tearful. So this is how it is. I really liked it. Even if you don't have it in that moment, you can, change it. I loved it. Yeah. Confirm. It is confirmed. So let's go. Yes, I took my Betacillic. Thanks for reminding. So we can, as you can see, you can do spontaneous entry. Maybe you just want to put some lab values that you went to hospital today and you got your results out. You might want to put them there. So yeah, I liked it. Let's see progress. As you can see what's up. Like I did good, I did bad, because I'm actually pretty good with my medication. And right now, this is why I feel kind of anxious and also very itchy. Guys, it's not good. It became so itchy. I don't know if you guys see that, but yes, wow, it looks very bad. And also from here, as you can see, you can check yourself, or you can check your well-being. And from the team, you can add an appointment to keep track of your appointments and be reminded, I need that. You can add a healthcare professional. You can save their contact information and appointments in case of an emergency. You can invite your friends and family. And if you have been invited, you can enter your invitation code. So I think this was pretty amazing. I really liked it. And let's go to settings before we leave. We have our user information. We have notifications. We can turn them on, turn them off. We have some additional content, or we can tell a friend about this. So let's go to user information. From here, you can create an account, but if you already have one, you can log in. You can put your height, you can put your weight, it is gonna be helping for this app to track everything way more better, because you're putting everything down there, and a little bit information would actually help a little bit more. So I think, you guys, if you have something like you have to take your pills, you have to take your creams or something like that, you should be trying this app. I think it is very useful. So if you guys like this video and found it helpful, go hit that like button, don't forget that. And if you have any questions or any requests, suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. So I'm down there trying to answer your questions. I can also be reading your suggestions. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because if you haven't, like in case of you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but I'm pretty sure you did. But in case of you didn't, you forgot or something, hit that button too, so we can see each other in my next videos. So let's go, and I hope to see you in my next video.